In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian to keep a workout log. First, open Obsidian so you're looking at your vault in the File Explorer on the left. We'll keep everything tidy by creating a dedicated place for your training notes. In the File Explorer, click New Folder and give it a clear name such as Workout Log. This keeps all of your sessions together and makes them easy to find later. With the folder in place, create a new note. Save it inside that Workout Log folder. A simple habit is to give the note a descriptive title, like the date and the focus of the session. For example, 2025-06-12 upper body. Obsidian saves changes automatically, so you can start typing right away. Begin entering your workout log. Think of the note as a clean template you'll reuse. Start with a warm-up section. Here, type what you actually did to get ready. Minutes spent, mobility work, activation drills, or ramp-up sets. Include anything you want to remember next time, like a tight area you addressed or a sequence that helped you feel prepared. Next, add an exercises section. This is the core of your session. On separate lines, record each lift or movement along with sets, reps, and load. Many people like a consistent format such as bench press, 4x6 at Warschval, rest 2 minutes. Consistency makes it easy to scan progress later. If you adjust a weight mid-session, note it in line so you have an accurate record. After that, include a cardio section. Capture duration, distance, pace, or machine settings depending on what you did. For example, 20-minute on bike, level 6, average cadence 90, or 2 miles at an easy conversational pace. Details like heart rate or RPE are helpful if you track effort. Finally, add a notes section. This is where you log context that numbers don't capture, how you felt, sleep quality, soreness, technique cues that clicked, or anything to modify next time. These reflections make your log more actionable and help you spot patterns. That's the entire setup. Open Obsidian, create the workout log folder, make a new note, and fill in warm-up exercises, cardio, and Chartian notes. Keeping your layout consistent from session to session will make trends obvious and progress easier to measure. When you return to train again, repeat the same structure in a fresh note inside the same folder, and you'll build a clear, searchable history of your workouts.